Hey grade 3, this is Najma Khan here, your English teacher. I will be teaching you English, and in this lesson we are going to start our new book for your new session, for your new class, Oxford Progressive English Book 3. Yes, so we are going to start with unit number 1, Meet the Family. And in this unit we are going to read about Sandra Bate's family. But what an idea to learn some difficult words which are used in this lesson before explaining the lesson. So let's go for the difficult words. Here is the list of 8 words which are used in the lesson and which could be new or difficult for you. The words are eyelid, eyeball, nail, seaside, spot, thumb, toe, tooth. Before I will go for explanation of the words, I would like to tell you that if you want to write these words or learn these words, you can also find these words on your book, page number 104 to 109, very easily. So let's go for the explanation of the words. The first word is eyelid. Eyelid is a piece of skin that can move to close your eye, as you can see in the picture as well. The next word is eyeball. Eyeball is a person that you make friends by sending emails or letters. Often somebody you have never met. Next word is nail. It's another part of body, the thin hard part of your fingers and toes. The next word is seaside, an area on the coast next to the sea where you go in your vacations and enjoy. The next word is spot, which is a small mark of different colors on something. Next word is thumb. Open your hand and then you will be seeing a short, thick finger at the side of your hand. That's what we called a thumb. Let's move towards the next, which is toe. And the meaning of toe is one of the 5 small parts like fingers at the end of each foot. Next word is tooth. The hard, white parts in your mouth that you use for biting. We are done with all the words and their meanings. I hope you will learn them by heart, and after learning them, you are going to use these 8 words in sentences. And when you will be doing them, remember that you have learned their meanings. Use them according to that. And after making that assignment, send me on this given email address and I will check them. Thank you so much. See you later.